In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a report in Expensify. Now, managing your reports efficiently is crucial when it comes to keeping your Expensify account tidy and organized, especially if you're dealing with a multitude of financial documents. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can delete any unnecessary reports effortlessly and with confidence. To begin, you'll want to open your Expensify account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, where you'll see the typical layout with your navigation menus. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu that helps you easily access different sections of your account. Go ahead and click on that Reports tab. This is where all your financial reports are stored. Remember, these menus are designed to streamline your workflow, so don't feel overwhelmed. They're there to help you navigate efficiently. After clicking on the Reports tab, you'll see a list of all the reports currently available in your account. Browse through this list and find the specific report you want to delete. If you have a lot of reports, consider using the search bar to help narrow it down. Keep in mind that having a clear understanding of which report you're deleting is important to avoid accidentally removing something you might need later. Once you've identified the report you want to get rid of, it's time to make your move. Click on the chosen report to open it. At this point, you'll be looking at a detailed view of the report. Here, you'll want to focus on either the Actions drop-down menu or a trash icon, typically positioned somewhere near the top of the screen. Both are designed to provide numerous options for managing your reports, including the ability to delete them. When you hover over or click these, you'll see an option labeled Delete Report. This selection is your key to initiating the deletion process. Click it to proceed, and be assured that Expensify will prompt you with one more step to confirm the action. This extra step acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. As you attempt to delete the report, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is where you need to double-check that you're indeed ready to let go of this document. Confirm the deletion, and the report will be permanently removed from your account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a report in Expensify. Remember, once deleted, you can't recover these records, so be sure you won't need them before confirming any deletions. Keeping your reports and overall account organized can greatly enhance your financial management experience, reducing clutter and focusing on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.